What I want you to do is lay a newspaper down and then grab the liquid watercolors in the spray bottles, and I want you to spray it a couple times about a foot away to get the feeling. You don't want it too close and you don't want it too far. For your plant drawings, I want you to use the same color temperature range as your background. So if you use orange for your background, I want you to use red, orange, and yellow. Don't go too crazy and spray in the negative space. You just need to, you still want to see the background.